Hey, it's Jim Paar here with JimPaar.com, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about creating a passive income online. I always tell people what I teach is motivation, how to get your mind right between these crazy ears of yours, and also give you tips on how to work for yourself, make a passive income, something that you can rely on every day, all the time, and creating multiple sources of income, whether it's through network marketing, affiliate marketing, doing Adsense. But today we're going to talk about Taboola and how to create these cool little ads that show up on CNN, Fox, about 500 or 600 different apps, and how inexpensive it is to get that out there and create a blog that gives you that drive. So it creates money through Adsense and through your advertising through Taboola. So it drives traffic through Adsense, and you could create another income stream off of this. So there's multiple income streams, but we're going to dive into the computer and go into the details of how this is done and how you can start making $100 a day, $300 a day, even $500 a day every single day. And so stay tuned. We're going to jump in right now, and I'm going to show you some tips on how this is done. So we're into my computer. We're looking at the different options to make money on your blog. So number one, you want to create a blog that can create passive income. Number two, you could actually not even have a website and just create ads through Taboola, through Outbrain, and drive them to an affiliate offer and make money that way. So let's look at these ads and what do they look like. First of all, this is a blog. This is particular blogs for parenting. But first of all, we go to this. She's got a page here, 25 must-follow parenting blogs. So this gal's making money off these. These are called AdSense or ad choices. And so those are created. This is what they call a, I can't get the terminology, but this is a banner ad. This is like a widget ad. And you can see they flash around. And how do these ads come up? They're based on what you're searching, what the consumer is searching, what they've been following on whatever website they're looking for. So the ads will be driven to them and will be relevant to them. So if you're looking at a bunch of parenting stuff, these might be Babies R Us ads. I do a lot of web stuff, so of course Constant Contact, which I'm on all the time, Get Response. This is Larry Puckett Chevrolet. I do some marketing for them. So those ads are going to be driven for you. So you don't set up a particular ad. This is an AdSense ad right here. So you don't have to say, okay, I need this ad. AdSense does that for you. So if we went to dirtandboogers.com, which is quite a name for a different blog post, she has AdSense in here. So these are AdSense, and these are probably an affiliate offers here that she gets paid off of, and then she probably has some more AdSense. You only want to do about 3 to 4 AdSense per page. If you go overboard, you'll get shut down. And this is what they consider a pop-up AdSense, and you can do that also. But the best thing that you can do is put them into the article in what we call in-stream, and because people will accidentally click on them or click on them more often. But you don't want to put them on your website. You just want them in your blog page. So if you have a passion, create a blog and write about it once a week. Or if you do it a few times a week, you're going to make some big bang for your buck. So maybe $100 a day or even $1,000 a day. Write on something that gets a lot of response. So if we went into this blog page right here, I want to show you some more samples. Again, this is an AdSense. This is an AdSense ad. And if we scroll down, you're going to see some more sponsored ads. But one thing that we see here is this is actually an Outbrain ad. So you want to set up an Outbrain account, you want to set up a Taboola account, but you can see how these catch you. Incredible new luxury sedans will blow you away. So they've got a catchy phrase to it, and then they try to drive you to the ad. Or these are local ads, and these are sponsored ads, and you can set these up. So I live in the Nashville area, so it says Brentwood, Tennessee. If your car is over 3 years old, we hope you know this ridiculous easy step. So you click on it, and what happens, it brings you into somebody else's blog or an affiliate ad. This is an affiliate ad for EverQuote, so it's an insurance ad. They've got a quick article on it and how to save money, find your rate. So this person gets paid probably like $15 to $30 every time somebody gets a quote, which is a good deal. 100 people go there a day, that's $3,000, or 10 people, that's $300. So you need to set that up. So AdSense, when you're looking at these AdSense ads, like this is one right here, and these are AdSense right here. So the way it looks like this, it's ad units. So if you had a blog, you just get the code and grab this code, copy and paste it into your blog page. So if we had a blog for how to rank higher on Google, we would paste that into the code. And as you can see here, right here, we have an AdSense ad right here. So we pasted that in, and if we were to look at that and go to visual, and that's what it's going to look like in the back of WordPress, in my WordPress blog. But if we go to that site and look at that, you can see that we have AdSense here, we have an AdSense here, 48-hour turnaround on banners, because I was searching for banners for a client of mine for an event in Los Angeles. So there's some AdSense in here. And this is a blog that we created with categories. So we have some different categories: pets, make money online. But you could have one niche that you write about. So how do you do this? First of all, you go to, I recommend Taboola, Outbrain. Those are the two good ones to create these particular ads that show up like this. These are sponsored ads. So if you want to drive traffic to your blog, set up an Outbrain account, and then use, to get images like this, use pixabay.com. It's free. They're royalty-free images. You can use them wherever you want. Like this was just something that somebody grabbed. But it catches people's attention to click on it and go there, and you get that affiliate or go to their blog. So it drives traffic. Traffic increases money in AdSense. The more traffic you get, the more clicks you get on those ads, the more money you make. So if we go into Outbrain, I believe, first of all, it's very easy to create an Outbrain account. You just set it up, and once you're in here, let's find United States, being we're here, I can log into my account. So I'm just going to log in and go into Outbrain. So I've already have an Outbrain account because I use Outbrain, and it's very simple. They're going to take you through step by step. We're going to drop into Pixabay. And so we're ready for an image, and you can see free images. Let me just show you some warnings about Pixabay. So excited, we'll just put excited people, and get images of excited people. So we want something really cool like this. Whatever you're trying to do, this might catch people's eyes. But one thing, you see the sponsored images, Shutterstock, this is an ad. Pixabay gets paid off of this. That's how they make their money.
So don't click on these, because if you use a Shutterstock image, you're going to be in copyright infringement. But below here, you see free images, excited people. So we could grab this, just right click on it, save the image, and put it in a blog post and that we're creating on Pixabay. So we go through a few steps here. Outbrain is going to just take you step by step. I'd probably pick Outbrain over Taboola because Outbrain takes you through step by step. And not only that, it's a little bit faster to get approved, to get your campaigns out there. And you just pay like $10 a day or $5 a day to drive traffic, and it drives a lot of traffic. So if we want to add a campaign, we could call this insurance or something like that. Great pet ideas. Set a date. You could run continuously. You can do a bid strategy, and this is just maximum cost per click, and it'll give you recommendations of range of 52 cents up to whatever. Just set it small, set it at 30 cents and see what happens. And then you can set this to, I think there's a minimum. Yeah, there is. There's a minimum of $20 a day. But you're going to get a lot. You're not going to spend that in one day if you're not getting the clicks, because you only pay if you have the clicks. And then location, remember the ad that said Brentwood, Tennessee? If you want to, it's really good to do specific targeted ads, because then people think that they're getting something. You could do something like know your insurance. Donald Trump just changed the insurance plans. This is a must know for Atlanta, Georgia, or something. So you could do something like that with an insurance thing, like, oh my God, and how is this going to affect you? You want to create urgency in these ads, in these headlines. So you create a headline, you go through, you can add tracking codes, you can even add third-party pixels. And as you add different things, it's just like a Facebook ad. It's going to tell your potential reach. Obviously, you don't want it too broad, otherwise you're just going to get everybody in there. But once you have this set up, you just go to next, and you add your content in here. So where do you want that to go? Do you want it to go to your blog? Do you want it to go to an affiliate offer? Kind of like we saw with this EverQuote. So you could be an affiliate for EverQuote. All you got to do is go to EverQuote and become an affiliate. Did you know you can become an affiliate with Walmart? If you go to Walmart, walmart.com, I'm going to show you something real quick. These are great ways to make money. And understand this, I tell everybody, you don't need to work a 9-to-5 job to make $5,000 or $10,000 or $15,000 a month. Go and become an affiliate. Do your own blog. Set up your own program. Do you have knowledge about something? It's easy to become an affiliate. You can advertise with Walmart.com. So you can put your own ads on Walmart.com. But you can go to Walmart. Let me find it here. I don't see it right now, but let's go to, I know Best Buy has it front and center. Walmart's been kind of goofy lately on affiliates, but and allowing affiliates in and who they approve. So here, right here, if we look at this, you can see this partnerships on almost every big brand affiliate program. So become an affiliate, make money with Best Buy. Big brands, you can promote their products and make 15 to 20%. You can do it with Amazon. You can do it with anything. So there's multiple streams to make money. So we go back, set up your Outbrain account. We have a course that we teach you step by step on how to set up your Taboola, how to set up your Outbrain. We even have how to build a blog and then add your Adsense. This is a blog that we did. Let me just refresh it. So we have, this is an Adsense ad. And then we've got different articles in here that, and if we go to recent articles, let's see, let me just go to, we have everything's broken down into different things. So if we go to an article, we click on it, and of course we have AdSense in everything that we see here. So we're making money off this blog. Here's an AdSense ad. Here's another AdSense ad. Here's another one. So we teach you how to put video into your AdSense, because video, YouTube can make money there too. So there's multiple streams to make money in this, not just one stream. And for me to go in the 15 minutes that we've been talking about this, it's going to be impossible to teach you how to start this business without going through the course. You could try to do it on your own with YouTube videos, but I recommend that you leave your comments below. If you're interested in the course, I'll send you a URL, and we can get you started in that course. It's inexpensive. You know, what would you pay somebody if you're making $3,000 a month? Won't you pay $3,000 for that course if you make it back in the first month? No business does that. So I'm not saying the course is $3,000, because I'm not about charging big numbers, high ticket numbers to help you get started. I want to show you that you can make money with the ideas that we create. So just to wrap this up, set up an Outbrain or Taboola account. Remember to set up an AdSense account, because AdSense takes a week to 2 weeks to get approved. Add your URL channels into that. Set up your campaigns, whatever campaigns you're going to run. Remember to use Pixabay to get free royalty-free images. If you're going to do an affiliate offer, become an affiliate use Commission Junction, ClickBank, whatever it is, and go there and set up those accounts. So we teach you all this. We even have it done for you where we create the blog for you, and all you do is create the content. And so leave your comments, request. I'm going to have a link for a strategy call, a free strategy call, if you're interested in the program and you want to learn more. Otherwise, just say, I'm interested, in the comment section below this video, and I'll help you. And remember to click on the notifications. I do videos on how to make money, how to get rid of that 9-to-5 job. Don't be stuck in the way that you have to work hard and make money. That's the philosophy that our mom and dad put in us, and everybody as we're growing up. That's not what it is. It's about working smart and working less and making a lot of money. So this is Jim Paar, jimpar.com. You can schedule a call there. There's a button on the top for a free strategy call. I've got tons of ways to make passive income, and I mean tons of ways. For me to make $5,000 a month, I just blink and I can make it. So don't be beating your head against the different offers that are out there and different courses that aren't going to walk you through. Every course that I do, I have a mastermind where we are literally on a Zoom call, and it's video, so I can see your face, interact with you like a person. So we do weekly calls on every program that I put together. And we have a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's obviously an active guarantee that you take these courses and do, nothing has a magic button. So if you're expecting to push a button and make money, that's not how it works. You do have to do some work to make money, but it's easy to set up these blogs. We got all the templates, everything for them. So I appreciate you watching, and wish you the best in your success. So thanks a lot.